Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. Today I'll be sharing my top 10 vagina hacks on how to keep your vagina healthy and also smelling very fresh. Without further ado, let me go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Keep on watching. My number one hack is garlic. Garlic. It's so many things that you can use garlic for, and one of them is actually to cure yeast infection. And garlic does a lot of things. Like when you're cooking, you always want to add garlic to your meals. I can't tell you how many times I add garlic in almost everything I cook, from egg to like a stew or something. I'm always adding garlic to my food. And also the other ways that you can actually use it is taking 1 to 2 garlic cloves and chopping it up, put it in warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This is good because it helps with, like, you know, when you pee. There's so many ingredients in garlic that like is really good for the vagina, and every woman should always consume garlic in every day of their life, their meal, or either drinking it the way I said. That's my number one hack. Let's move on to number 2, drinking water. I cannot tell you how drinking water can really help your vagina. Water is very good because when you're dehydrated, it affects your vagina. That's why it's good to drink water. Water will help dilate your vagina odor. My number 3 hack is using deodorant to prevent shaving rash. It's really good. It helps stops itching and also ingrown hair, and only try to apply it on the outer part of your vagina. Up next, my number 4 hack, making your vagina taste good, which is drinking unsweetened pineapple. I cannot tell you that thing that they say pineapple, the thing that, you know, the song where like diced pineapple, girls, that is so true. So you want to either eat a lot of pineapples or drink unsweetened pineapple, because this will help your vagina tasting really fruity. I don't know if that's the word, but anyway, this will help your vagina taste really well and sweet. So dice up that pineapple, girls, and eat that pineapple so you can have your vagina tasting sweet and delicious. And also, you are what you eat. What you eat in your body is what you're gonna put out. Stay away from red meat. Red meat is not good at all, like when you're trying to like get your body together in every kind of way. Red meat and cigarettes, it's not good for the vagina. It causes odor on your vagina. So that's why it's always good to eat something very fresh, vegetables, fruits, something very healthy. Definitely will help your vagina odor to stop. So no red meat or cigarettes at all. So my number 5 is using CETAPHIL. CETAPHIL is so good. There's so many things that you can use CETAPHIL for, and my top one is definitely using it for your vagina. It stops odor and also stops razor burn. And you really don't want to wash inside, just the outer part of your vagina, and gently wash that very lightly. It's so good. It keeps the vagina smelling really fresh and keeps it clean. Number 6 is definitely eating yogurt. Yogurt is so good. I'm telling you, healthier you start to eat, the healthier your body will be, including your vagina. Is very important. I cannot tell you how natural yogurt, it's really good for the vagina. And why it's good, it has live cultures in it, which is very good. And don't get any fromage or whatever, just natural yogurt. It's very good for the vagina. Number 7 is definitely getting checked. Get your checkup, girls. Like, you need to go book an appointment, get your pap smear done at least once a year. It's very important. I cannot tell you what that is for a woman to get their vaginas checked. You need to do some tests to know if you're okay down there. You can't be running around 5-10 years and you ain't getting your vagina checked. Get a pap smear done, get it checked down there, make sure you're okay. Girls, it's 2018. You need to like get your things together, get your vaginas checked. Okay? That's my number 7. Number 8 is definitely cranberry pills. I prefer the pills better than the actual juice. Prevent you from UTI, urinary tract infection. It prevents you from that. It's very, very effective. Like, even when you go to the doctor to get checked, they will always advise you, like, as a woman, you should take the cranberry pills. Very good. The pill work better than the juice because it doesn't have sugar in it. The pills does not have sugar. The juice have some kind of sugar in it. So that's why I feel the pills are better than the juice. So get your cranberry pills, ladies, because it's very, very, very good. It stops the infection, urinary tract infection. Okay? Number 9 is do not wear panty liners. If you don't have your period, don't wear panty liners. Like, you just create more moisture down there, and also a perfect place for breeding bacteria and rashes. So if you don't have period, don't wear it, because I just feel like it's just too much out there, because they will advise you like you need to stop wearing tight clothes and fitted things, and you need to let your vagina breathe to go, like, to circulate around there. Like, you can't be covering that thing up all tight and stuff, all moisture and everything. You need to let it blow out, like blow, boo. Anyways, that's my number 9. So ladies, get on it. And my final hack, number 10, is tea tree oil. Tea tree helps stop smelling, it helps stop odor. So just put a few drops in water, just rinse your vagina off with that. Tea tree oil is really good for so many things. So using it for your vagina is definitely one of them. So guys, there you have it. That's my top 10 vagina hacks, and this is just a thing I just wanted to share with you guys and people that don't know. You can take from my advice and also use it in your everyday life. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Bye bye.